Hello my sweets, it's Keisha. I hope you're all doing well. I'm here with an open invitation for all of my YouTube creator friends. We had so much fun doing the last open invite that Kerri and I decided to host another one. We'd love for you to play along with us in the Nailed It or Failed It challenge. So here are the rules of participation. Mention the hosts and the playlist in your video, Mama Dares to DIY and Sweet Urban Rose. List the host channels and playlist in your description box and use the hashtag NailedItOrFailedIt July 2020. Dupe it. Challenge yourself by duplicating an item that you would like to have in your home for less than its actual cost. This item can be from anywhere. Make sure to include a picture in your video of the item you are duping. Engage your audience by asking if you nailed it or failed it. Upload your video to the playlist on Wednesday, July 8th at 8 p.m. Central Time. The link for the playlist will be available in the description box of this video and in our community tabs. Fun. This is the most important one of all. Have a fantastic time creating your dupe. If you'll be participating in this challenge, let me know down in the comments below. I'm looking forward to seeing what you all create. And remember, love, inspire, create. See you soon.